how to buy ShelterShiba token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, make sure to take a look on their X account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Now, to be able to buy this token is in pre-sale. Now, just click on their website, and now after you click on their website, they will redirect you to this page to buy this token. Now, after that, as you can see, select the blockchain. If you want to select Ethereum, or you want to select Solana. Now after that, set here how much you want to buy and just select the wallet, and now connect your wallet. For this I will use Phantom. Now after that, just I will log in to my wallet like that, and now click on unlock. Now after that, as you can see, confirm will allow the site to view balances and activity for the selected account. Now make sure that you have enough Solana on your Phantom wallet. Now if you have enough Solana on your Phantom wallet, now just click on connect. Now after that, as you can see, select from here how much of Solana you want to buy, or set it here how much you want to buy, like that. So this is how much you will receive show you here. If you find this amount is too big, you can now reduce the Solana that you want to buy with. Now after that, if you are ready to go, just click on buy token. Now as you can see, they will show you this pop-up page. As you can see, this transaction may fail due to inefficient SOL, so make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now they will show you how much fee you would pay, as you can see. And now as you can see, if you are ready to go, just click on confirm anyway to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the ShelterShiba token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.